Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the hotspot in Settings. Do it now so devices can join. Choose a clear network name and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. This prevents strangers from using your data. Once done, check cellular data is active and that you haven't hit carrier limits because speeds can be throttled. Make sure battery is above 20% or plug-in. Hotspot use drains power. Also verify tethering is allowed on your plan, so you avoid extra charges. Next, on the device you want online, open Wi-Fi, pick the hotspot SSID, and enter the password. This is the standard secure connection method. If your phone supports both bands, choose 5 GHz for lower interference and higher throughput, or 4 GHz when range matters. Once connected, monitor how many devices are attached and consider MAC filtering or a connection limit to reduce bandwidth hogging. Make sure to close apps syncing large files because background uploads can to finish, manage the hotspot actively. Turn it off when not needed and use auto-disable to save battery and data. If a device won't connect, first toggle the hotspot off and on, restart the client, and then rejoin the network. This clears many handshake problems. If problems persist, verify your carrier account and APN settings and install system updates because firmware fixes connectivity bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: swap bands or reboot the phone before calling support. Most issues resolve that way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.